There are plenty of ways to help up and down the Grand Strand. That includes right here in the Myrtle Beach area, where a group is preparing thirst-quenching coolers for those impacted by Helene. Our Stephen Schlink speaks with folks about this refreshing way of giving back. Joins us now live. And Stephen, for many of these folks, this is really a full circle moment.
Good afternoon, Eric. It really is full circle. Right now, I'm standing in the Lawson's Landing area in this neighborhood, and tomorrow night, neighbors will gather here to pack some of these comeback coolers. And it's like you said, Eric, it really is such a full circle moment for many neighbors. During Hurricane Florence, this neighborhood actually received some of these comeback coolers as they recovered, and now they're getting ready to go help those affected by Hurricane Helene.
It's like the gift that keeps on giving.
A gift of coolers being given to those impacted by a natural disaster like Hurricane Helene. It's an ice-cold gift given with hopes of spreading warmth.
So the biggest thing of it is encouragement, showing hope and love, and that people haven't forgot about them.
Jonathan Painter lives in Myrtle Beach and is heading up the comeback cooler effort right here in the Grand Strand. Many folks like Kimberly Connor are just trying to find a way to help.
Watching all the news clips, seeing the struggles, the loss, it's just, you can't even comprehend it.
Connor donated a cooler on Wednesday, hoping to ease some of those struggles. Comeback coolers are iced coolers with water, Gatorade, soda, and even beer. The hope, giving those rebuilding their lives a taste of normalcy. Painter's neighborhood saw firsthand how impactful these icy treasures can be when his neighborhood flooded during Hurricane Florence. Now his entire family works with the group to give back, like during Hurricane Ian when his daughter was just 3.
She's riding by saying, you know, all this kid stuff out here that they're throwing away, and we had to explain to her why those kids' items, you know, were being thrown away.
This time, Painter and a group are heading to the Greenville and Spartanburg areas, with groups from 5 states hoping to reach around 1,000 people affected by this latest storm. And they need your help.
It doesn't take much to make a big difference, no matter how small or how big your contribution is.
So whether you want to donate drink items, help pack the coolers, or even help with delivery, Painter says there's a place for you.
Whatever someone might feel in their heart that they want to do to help, you know, we could always use it.
Now, you might have noticed some artwork on top of some of those coolers, just another way they're hoping to spread hope. Big question, how can you help? They still need water, soda, even that beer that you heard about, Gatorade. So feel free to donate that. They also are going to need people to help pack these coolers. That'll take place tomorrow night. They're having a packing party starting at 5 p.m. right here at Lawson's Landing, 665 West Oak Circle Drive. Had to make sure I got that right. That address also on your screen. The goal is for them to head out to the upstate Friday morning. Live in Myrtle Beach, Stephen Schlink, WMBF News.